For years, scientists searched for the Holy Grail, a breakthrough that once seemed impossible. Then, suddenly, it arrived. Not the relic historians chased for centuries. Something bigger. Something that changes bodies, not history books. A drug for one of the quietest dangers out there. Not cancer, not heart disease, obesity. The weight that refuses to leave, no matter how many hours you put in at the gym. A shot is now claiming to end that fight. Its name has crossed generations, flooded social media feeds, and become impossible to ignore. Open TikTok. Someone is holding up an old photo of themselves like it belongs to a stranger. Open Instagram. A celebrity is casually sharing her secret. Oprah Winfrey, Sharon Osbourne, Kate Winslet, Gabriel Iglesias. They stopped being just famous faces. They became the face of an Ozempic revolution. But this drug was never built for showbiz. It started somewhere far less glamorous. A lab, and the target? A patient living with type 2 diabetes. In the 1900s, scientists were hunting for a drug that could mimic the body's own insulin. Byetta arrived, liraglutide followed, both built for diabetes. Then people noticed something else. The drug wasn't just helping patients manage diabetes. People were losing weight and losing it fast. Word spread. Off-label use exploded. But there was still a catch. Nobody wanted an injection every day. This is where Danish pharma giant Novo Nordisk stepped in, and Ozempic entered the picture. Powered by semaglutide, the drug delivered weight loss results of up to 15%. And the part that changed everything? Just one injection a week. The market cracked wide open. Eli Lilly brought Mounjaro, Novo Nordisk pushed Wegovy. Then came Zepbound. Suddenly, the miracle weight loss drug had versions, prices, and waiting lists. But behind the glitter and before and after reels, something darker was being quietly pushed into the shadows. Because when a drug is used beyond its original purpose, the body may eventually pay the price. Long-term use of Ozempic has raised serious safety concerns: pancreatitis, kidney strain, gallbladder damage. And with higher dose Wegovy, one study found something even more alarming: a 5 times higher risk of sudden vision loss. The research is still catching up, but millions of users are not waiting, and some may already be stepping into risks they never saw coming, one weekly injection at a time. Then comes the question no one wants to face. What if the miracle everyone trusted came with risks nobody fully understood? And while millions wait for the next shot, new studies are still uncovering what may come with it. Because the real story behind Ozempic may only be starting to emerge.